Negative effect of you having subscribers. Most of you have billions of subscribers, thousands of subscribers, but you're not getting views. Have you ever asked yourself the question, why is it that you have subscribers but you are not getting views? Most of you will think that YouTube is not pushing your videos to them. The truth of the matter is that YouTube has been trying its best to push your videos to those your subscribers, but due to the type of subscribers you are having, they are not interested on what you are posting. That is the major reason why you are not having that views, but you are having subscribers. Now, because of this, I am going to tell you 5 negative effects of having subscribers. Do you get that? 5 negative effects of having subscribers. Number 1, having subscribers that is not interested on your niche is one problem. Take for instance, you are on a football niche. You take your grandmother's phone or you ask your grandmother to subscribe to your channel, and your grandmother is a fan of cooking. She loves cooking niche, and you ask your grandmother to subscribe on a football niche. When you upload your video, the next time YouTube will send a message to your grandmother that you've uploaded a video. Now your grandmother is not interested on watching anything concerning football. Your grandmother will not watch that video. When she did not watch that video, what YouTube will do is that YouTube will send that video to another person again. The same, remember, you have audience on a wrong niche. When YouTube send them those notifications and they did not watch your video, next time if you upload your video, YouTube will not send it to them. Yeah, YouTube will not send it to them. It shows that they are not interested on what you are doing. That is the major reason why you notice that when you upload your video, you get loads of views. You get loads of views upon you have billions, thousands of subscribers there. That is the major reason why I ask you not to beg people to subscribe. Don't force people to subscribe to your channel, because you end up killing that channel. Allow the people that have interest on what you are doing to subscribe, because they are the one that will come back to eat that food you are cooking for them, which is your content. Do you understand? Another negative effect of that is when you buy subscribers. Yeah, you buy subscribers. Maybe you pay one site or the other site's money to send you a bunch of subscribers. You are not helping your channel. You are killing your channel, because those subscribers you buy can only count when they look at your page, but on your performance they will not count. That is the major reason why you need to cool down and grow your channel organically. Do you understand? Grow your channel organically. Gradually by gradually, your channel will get there. That place you want your channel to be, it will get there. Another mistake again is for you to select a bad niche. You have to stick on one niche. You want to be posting videos concerning football, you maintain that line of football. You want to be posting video concerning cooking, you maintain the line of that cooking. Stay on one niche. Not posting football today, tomorrow you post where the table tennis match is happening. No, you have to stay on one niche. Post consistently. Post your videos consistently. Make sure you optimize your videos very well. Before you upload your video, make sure you do enough research. Use search engine like vidIQ, or you can use TubeBuddy to research for the keyword. Okay, research for it, then you can upload it. Or if you don't know how to use all those keywords, I want you to copy your tag, the tag which you put on your video, and head over to this site which I am going to show you now. Now we are going to click on video upload. We are going to be using YouTube Studio. We navigate to YouTube Studio. We are going to do it fast so that you understand what I mean by what I want to show you now. So the next thing you are going to be doing is for you to click on any of your video you want to use to do that, which you want to upload. Next video you want to upload, for example, you want to upload video on, let me just say, you want to upload video on oh my god, let me just say your oh my god, you copy that title, click on copy, you copy the title, then you navigate back to Google Chrome. We are going to be using Google Chrome, or you can use normal Google. I'm using normal Google now. Then we are going to type in rapid tag. Okay, we are going to type rapid, and this is it here. This is it. Okay, so we are going to be clicking on it. When you click on it, you allow it to load. Okay, then you click on this use tag generator. Okay, use that tag generator. Then you click on this particular place where they write enter your next YouTube video upload. Okay, you click on paste. After clicking on paste, you hit this go, which is the search button, and you allow the engine itself to generate the tags for you. As you can see, those are relevant tag that is suitable to what I gave to them. Okay, oh my god, as you can see, even come on other languages in order for you to rank well when you upload your videos on YouTube. On my next video, I am going to be doing video telling you how to make sure your video rank on YouTube search engine. Yeah, I will do that video. So if you are interested on learning that video, kindly leave your comment on the comment section below. Just tell me something on the comment section below, like for example, tell me how long you've been on YouTube, and I will tell you how many and how you can grow faster, and how I am going to help you grow faster. I have so many accounts. I opened this one new to show you so many things you need to know about YouTube and more. Let's go on our another video.